So as long as I live, I love you. Will heaven hold you? Hi, ma'am.
But if you loved me.
Oh, takat mo, ma. Ganda mo naman, ma'am. Ikaw lang mag-isa, ma'am. Okay lang, ma'am. Kantahan kita, ma'am. Para ano, ma'am, enjoy ba?
Nakakapikon to, hindi ko maintindihan eh, ha?
Okay lang, ma'am. Umupo ko dito, ma'am. Wala magalit, ma'am.
Wala.
Ay, thank you, Lord. Thank you lang, ma'am. I have rings just needs your finger. I want her always to remember. I want to be part of my dream. I was so lonely without you. I was you cold just like a statue. Being with you has made me.
To hear you know.
I can feel love and starts inside me. I can hear you whispering you want to stay close to me. Every day and every night, I never thought your love could feel so right. Every day and through the night, let me be the one to hold you tight. I can't let go. I can't let go. I can't let go.
When you said your last goodbye,
Don't you know?
that if you loved me, why'd you leave me? Take my body.
Yun na, ma'am. Salamat, ma'am. Alis na ako, ma'am.
When you said your last goodbye, I died a little bit inside.
Even if you want to go alone, I will be waiting when you're coming home.
Hi, ma'am. Ganda niyo naman, ma'am. Okay lang, ma'am, na kantahan ko kayo, ma'am. Okay, matakot, ma'am. Mabait naman ako, ma'am, kahit ganito rin yung forma ko, ma'am. Madala akong gitara, ma'am, gitara mo yung laman nito, ma'am. Okay lang, ma'am, umuwi ito, ma'am.
Sulod lagi ni Mukta.
Para unique ba? Ito yung passion ngayon, ma'am, eh.
Malakas ba yung putok ng bunganga mo?
Okay lang, ma'am, nakaupo ko rin, ma'am. Wala, magalit, baka magalit yung mga jowa niyo, ma'am.
Sana all lagi. Sana. Akala mapunta sa akin na ano eh.
Teka lang nga, parang nawawala yung gitara ko, Nawawala yung tono. Nawawala yung tono. Not so with you. But when we first met, I got so nervous I couldn't speak. In that very moment I found the one, and my life is found its amazing peace. So as long as I live, I love you. Will heaven hold you? You look so beautiful in white. And from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. Salamat, ma'am. Ganda nyo naman, ma'am. Flowers sa inyo, ma'am.
Ano, dahil na siya ay.
Isa-isa. Salamat, ma'am.
Tumitingin ka, natutunaw. Dedicate my life to you. You know that I will die for you. I live my life for you.
Hi, ma'am. Ganda nyo naman, ma'am. Ang ganda nyo naman.
Nice.
Wala kayong kasama, ma'am? Kayo lang, dalawa? May mga boyfriend na kayo, ma'am? Kasi... okay lang naman na. Kantahan ko, ma'am. Dala akong gitara, ma'am.
You serious?
Para masaya naman, ma'am ba? Okay lang, ma'am. Ay, matakot, ma'am. Kahit ganito lang yung forma ko, ma'am. Mabait naman ako, ma'am.
Magbait-bait ka, kilala kita.
Kanta lang naman ako, ma'am. Kasi maganda kasi kayo, ma'am. Ako na, upo dito, ma'am. Upo na ako dito, ma'am.
Dahil naman, sige na.
Tell me something, girl. Are you happy in this modern world? Wow! Or do you need more? Is there something else you're searching for? I'm falling. In all the good times I find myself longing for change, and in the bad time I fear myself. I will be deep and once in a diamond, I'll never made it ground. Cross to the surface where they can hurt us. We're from a shallow now.
Crash to the surface where they can't hurt us. We're far from the shallow now.
In a shallow, wow. In a shallow, in a shallow, we're from a shallow now.
I just can't live without you, and I want you to know I live my life for you.
Oh, whoa, whoa.
To the surface where they can't hurt us. We're from the shallow now.
Yun po, ma'am. Salamat, ma'am. Wala ako sa lyrics kasi ano, ma'am, nakakabahan ako, ma'am. Kasi maganda kasi kayo, ma'am. Salamat po, ma'am.
You